In this video, I'll be unboxing not only this one but also this one. So buckle up your seatbelt and let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Valmiki from Kolkata, a model car collector and a car enthusiast. We'll unbox this box. And here is our first car, which is this. This is a Tata Nano in 1/18 scale. So getting this model was a really dream for me, and let's now unbox the second box. I have ordered two of these, one in yellow color and one in white color. This one is for me. This yellow color I have ordered for me, and this white color is for my dearest brother Ronak. And actually I want to thank Ronak for these beautiful models, because Ronak has arranged these models from Kochi through his friend, and I want to really thank Ronak. Ronak, if you are watching this video, thank you a lot. So we will unbox this Nano and we'll have a deeper look. Okay, so here's are the screws. We have to unscrew them. We will do it in a bit. So we are back again. We have unscrewed this model, and as you can see, the Tata Nano 1/18 by Norev in all its glory. So this is the model. Oh my god, this model is so beautiful to hold, and this is not a toy, guys. It's obviously a proper scale model, and this model is so heavy. The weight is around 600 grams or 700 grams, and the doors are also openable. You can open the doors just like this. All the front doors are openable, and you can also open the doors just like this. Okay, and the interior is so detailed as well as beautiful, and here is mentioned Tata Nano, and the emblem of Tata is also printed here beautifully. Also, the bonnet space is openable just like this, and the bonnet is also detailed. And one thing to mention, that we get a spare wheel. Okay, so we get a spare wheel along with this model, and it's so beautiful that the model is so magnificent to have. It's the right time to add this particular model in your collection. Let's enjoy the B-roll.